Hello students, welcome to grammar class. Today we are going to study the first lesson of grammar chest textbook, sentences. So what are sentences? A sentence is a group of words that should be arranged in correct order in order to form a meaningful one. You already studied this topic in your standard 5, isn't it? So let's study this one in detail. See the example, many I have friends. How will you rearrange that in order to form a meaningful one? I have many friends. Then coming to other features of a sentence. A sentence should start with a capital letter and after each sentence you have to put a full stop. Then if you are asking a question, you have to put a question mark at the end, like where is your house, how was your holidays. So after each questions you have to put a question mark, and if it is an exclamatory sentence, exclamation mark should be also included at the end of a sentence. For example, see how beautiful the house is. How beautiful the house is, after this you have to put one exclamation mark at the end. Now coming to different types of sentences. Which are the kinds of sentences that you studied in your standard 5? There are 4 types, is it? Which are they? They include first one, declarative sentence, second one, interrogative, third one, imperative, fourth one, exclamatory. These are the 4 types of sentences that you have studied. Now what is a declarative sentence? Assertive or declarative means a sentence which says about something, a casual thing, a declaration. All these are called as a declarative sentence. Now coming to the division of declarative sentence, you can divide declarative sentence into 2 types. Which are they? First one is negative sentence and the other one is affirmative sentence. What is the other name of affirmative sentence? Positive sentence. What do you mean by a negative sentence? A negative sentence is something which opposes. That means no or not will be there in these type of sentences. And what about affirmative sentence? Which is affirmative, that is strong and it has a validity of truth. That is called affirmative sentence. Now let's see the example. Jane is here. That is affirmative sentence. That's a positive statement, isn't it? How you can make it negative? You can make it negative by adding the word not. Jane is not here. So the word not means that is a negative sentence. The word no or not indicate that it is a negative sentence. Now coming to next type of sentence, imperatives. What do you mean by imperatives? Imperative means it is command, request, advices, like keep quiet, bring 1 glass of water. All these are imperative sentences because it asks something. Then doctors give advices, is it? What type of sentence is that? Like you should take medicines regularly, you should do exercises every day. All these are imperative sentences because it is what? It's a request, it's a command, then it's advice. Now the next one, interrogative sentence. What do you mean by interrogative sentence? Is asking questions. Then interrogative can be divided into 2 types. Which are they? Yes or no questions and WH questions. Yes or no question means the answer will be yes or no. Do you want ice cream? If I am asking one child, do you want ice cream? What will be your answer? Certainly yes, is it? So here yes or no. Some children don't like ice cream, so how they respond? No, is it? Then WH questions like where is your house? Where is your house means what? You have to tell the answer, not yes or no, the other one, is it? So all the things or all the statements starting with WH and how is also a question word. Okay, so interrogative, these are the 2 categories, yes or no and WH questions. Now the next one, exclamatory sentence. What do you mean by exclamatory sentence? A sentence which shows feelings, surprise, emotions. Then at the end of exclamatory sentence, what you have to put? Exclamation mark. Then begins with what or how. What a beautiful day it is. That is an exclamatory sentence. So, after that you have to put exclamation mark. How smart the girl is. That is exclamatory sentence. So, what and how, usually it starts with what and how. Example, how beautiful the dress is, what a terrible noise. See, after each sentence of exclamation, you can see exclamatory marks at the end of the sentences. This are the features of exclamatory sentence. Now, the next one is subject and predicate. What do you mean by a subject and predicate? What is a subject and what is a predicate? Subject means what the sentence is about is called a subject, and more information about a subject is called a predicate. So, children, I think before starting the topic, we will do the first exercises of your grammar. So, please take your grammar textbook, page number 5, first one. What is the question? Rearrange the following words to form meaningful sentences. Use capital letter, full stop, question marks and exclamation marks as required. The first one has been done for you. So, the first one is already given here. I will tell you one more question, one answer, then the rest you can do it by yourself, and all the answers will be discussed in the Google Meet. First one, burglared was Jane's yesterday house. Jane's house was burglared yesterday. Then second one, leaving tomorrow James and Henry B will London for. Start with James. So, here in the bracket it is given how to start. James and Harry will be leaving for London tomorrow. That is the answer. James and Harry will be leaving for London tomorrow. Question number 3, 4, 5, 6. We will discuss the answers through Google Meet. Now, children, take page number 6. Page number 6. One more question is there. Answer these questions. Then mention whether your answer is affirmative or negative. The first one has been done for you. What is an affirmative sentence? Affirmative sentence means a sentence which has a validity of truth. It's more strong, and negative means there will be no or not in a sentence. First one is done here, negative. Now, second one, which is your favorite subject? What type of sentence is that? It's an affirmative sentence, because that moreover it's a statement, a sense of statement, and though it is a question, it does not have any any sort of negative meaning, a word of no or not. So, it is affirmative. The rest we will discuss through Google Meet. Now, coming back to interrogative sentence, exercise C, page number 7. Answer the following questions. Follow instruction given in the bracket. One has been done for you. May I come in? Yes, you may come in. First one is already done. Second one, how do I complete this drawing? Give a suggestion. In the bracket it is written, give a suggestion. So, how you can write, you may take a trace. Or third one, doctor, how many antibiotic tablets should I take daily? It's an advice. So, you should take 2 tablets daily. So, the rest of the one you have to do it by yourself. Now, interrogative sentences, page number 7, exercise D. Make question and complete the conversation. Use words like how, when, where, whose, did or do. See, first one, my birthday is in June. When is your birthday? My birthday is in June is the answer. How you can frame a question? You can frame a question, when is your birthday? Okay, somebody is asking you, when is your birthday? You can say the answer, my birthday is in June. Then, so now the next topic we are going to study is subject and predicate, page number 8. In your textbook it is parts of a sentence. Let's study that in detail. Parts of a sentence. What are the two parts of a sentence? Subject and predicate. What is a subject? What the sentence is about is called a subject, and more information about that subject is called a predicate. Usually nouns will be subjects. In almost all the cases, nouns will be subject and verb and the rest of the things including object will be a part of predicate. Now see this example, it will be more clear. She is singing a song. Here she is the subject. What the sentence is about? Sentence is about she. And what she is doing? She is singing a song. That is predicate. Now there is easy method to find out a subject in a sentence. How it is? You have to ask the question who before the verb. Who is singing a song? Who is singing a song? She, is it? She is singing a song. So she is the subject here. Now coming to the next topic. A subject can come anywhere in a sentence. That's very important, children. Subject will not be always in the starting of a sentence. It can come in the middle, it can come in the end, it can come in any part of a sentence. Now see here, one example I have given. In the fall, the leaves cover the ground. What is the subject? The leaves. See, it comes in the middle, is it? How I got the answer, the leaves? What is the verb? Cover the ground. So I can put the question, what cover the ground in the fall? The leaves, is it? So the leaves will be subject. So if you have a confusion to find out a subject, what is the best method? You first find out the verb and put a question, what in front of that verb? So you will get the answer as subject. Now the next one, predicate. Predicate means what the subject is doing, or more about subject is called predicate, and verb is also a part of predicate followed by object also. Now the next one, imperatives. In imperative sentences, subject is hidden. You will not be able to see that. The word you is always subject in imperatives. See, open the door. What is the subject here? Open the door. You will be subject. The answer is you. You is the subject in this type of sentences, imperatives. In the next one, where is the book? In questions and answers, exclamatory sentences and questions. If the sentence is exclamatory sentence or if it is a question, how you will find a subject? The subject is the book. You can see a noun over there, that is the book. The book will be subject. Okay, then the next one, in exclamatory sentences. In exclamatory sentences, what will be the subject? Like, how beautiful the dress is. Subject will be always the dress. The dress will be subject. Okay, I will write the example. How beautiful the dress is. What is the subject here? Subject will be the dress and the rest will be predicate, including how beautiful and is. This will be predicate. Okay, this is also predicate. Okay, these are the things that we studied. Hope you understood the class. Thank you.